do press the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Okay guys, I am going to just lube my chain now and clean my chain and lube it. So for a difference, I just going to use this one. So this is a gear oil and 150 ml, I hope so. I'll just check this and put a brief description on this one. I got it from a local oil store, so you can easily get it, and it's so cheap also. So it's cost around like 200 ml for 20 bucks. You can also opt for that 90 ml oil, so that will be also good. So the thing I just wanted to go for this because like first thing, that chain spray, there are a lot of varieties of chain spray, but I'm not satisfied with this some of the chain sprays. And also while using this, it's considerably thick than the chain spray, so it long lasts and it's really good to use. So I'll also tell how to use this. So I have this one for cleaning my chain, and in this filling I just poured some amounts of diesel and water, so a little bit of water. So I have some diesel here, and in a periodic cycle I just go for cleaning my chain as well as topping the coolant oil. As I mentioned in my previous video, I just faced some issues in my coolant oil, so I will also give a card in the above video so that you can go and check what's the problem with my bike. So that's what one. And now I just rode like around 26,000 kilometers, and the trip meter was set around like 760 odd kilometers. So it's necessarily to change the chain lube as well as the chains. Sorry. So it's also necessary to change the coolant level. So it's also necessary to top up the coolant oil as well as cleaning my chain. So we'll just start. So this is my paddock stand. I know it's kind of awkward to call this as a paddock stand, but trust me, this helped me a lot while lifting the back wheel of my bike. So I use this as a one alternative for paddock stand. Okay guys, I'm just going to place this brick underneath this, so it will eventually lift this rear wheel. I'll just show you how to do this. Okay, it's quite a simple task and you can easily fit it. So you can see the wheel has been lifted, and it's convenient to rotate also, so it's quite a budget paddock stand for me. So guys, I just filled a portion of diesel as well as water. So this is the mixture, and I just pumped this. So I'm going to spray some water. How I just clean my chain. The dirts are coming out, and you can see the dirt particles are really coming out because. Okay guys, now I'm going to wait for this to get nicely mixed, so that the dirt will just come down, because this diesel acts as a mover, so it's like eventually the dirt will just fall off. So I just want to like soak the chain with this mixture. So that's the main idea. So guys, I'm going to use this brush to clean this. the help of this 8 number spanner, I'm just going to open this front sprocket. So you can see the dirts here, and it's mandatory to clean like this also, because each and every dirt just gets settles here. So I can show you. 1 second. No, guys, this is the 140 ml big box oil. So I'm just going to put this as a chain lube for my bike, and let's go. You can see how thick this. It's really a worthable oil, and just apply fully. Okay, yeah. See, we have just applied each and every chain. Sorry. So you can see that we just applied lube here, and it's super thick. You can see, and it's like it can last around like 500 to 700 kilometers. If you want to try this, just put the link of this oil, or like where I bought it. You can also get it in the local oil store. So that's the process of lubing the chain of my bike with this 140 ml oil. So the next process I'll just show you. So guys, I'm just going to put this Renewal Expert. So you can see the level of the bullet is at the minimum level. So I'm just going to top of it. So there will be one small, give up. So there will be a small cap here. You just remove it. So I just removed it. You can also remove this part. So it will be like easier to remove, and it will be like going for this main cap. There will be one radiator cap here. So if you remove this, you can just access this. So I'm going to pour this one by syringe. Okay. Yeah. It's an easy process to load it.